everyone, welcome to Shandong Machinery. Today we are loading a double shaft shredder to India. This machine suitable for many kinds of agriculture straw. And this client mainly use this machine to crush paddy straw bale. This machine with a double 11 kilowatt electric motor, double gear reducer, and a double blade shaft inside. When customer use this machine, we will use an belt conveyor to transfer the paddy straw, wheat straw, or corn straw to the upper side hopper. And inside it has a double screw blade to crush the raw materials to small pieces like 3 to 5 centimeters.